Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the UBD network token. Ticker symbol is UBDN. Now it was just announced that this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the UBD network token. Now, if you're looking for their Twitter, it is right up here at UBDnet. And on there, you can see you'll find a full link tree. It says program your digital asset trusts on decentralized infrastructure. Right underneath that has a full link tree. Then their webpage is on there, ubdn.com. They have 14,100 Twitter followers. And then their pinned tweet here, one of their newest tweets, it says, UBDN token on Bitmart exchange, and then it has a link to Bitmart's Twitter. It says, we are glad to announce the launch pad where you'll be able to purchase the UBDN token on IEO, and then it has a link to that. So if you just look at the pinned tweet on here, follow the link to Bitmart, you can get involved with this launch pad listing. And it says start of the sale is November 21st at 3 p.m. UTC time, so basically in 2 days. Sale price is 1.8 USDT, and then it says total supply 27,778 UBDN tokens are available for purchase. So you could check that out, get involved with this new Launchpad IEO on Bitmart. If you want to get Bitmart, you could just find it in the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or download it on your PC and then open an account, fund your account with USDT, and then you'll be all ready if you want to get this token. So if you go to their official webpage, they got a lot of info over there. They have Medium articles that you could check out. They have a ton of Medium articles. You could read a long time about this project here. Most of the info you're going to find here on their webpage. If you go to their link tree there, they have a link to their webpage right at the top. Then you can subscribe for the UBD network newsletter. You could send a partnership or cooperation request to them if you like. Follow them on Twitter, Discord, LinkedIn, Medium articles. Check the contract address. And then you could check out the network GitHub as well. So this token is on the Ethereum blockchain. This is a brand new token. If you check their Etherscan, the contract address link, it says 19 holders. It's safe to assume that those are for different wallets, and it's not available to the public yet because they're starting their initial offering here on Bitmart. 18 decimal places on this token, and it says there is a max total supply of 5,001,138.05 tokens. So on their webpage, they're going to have tons of info about this project here. If you want to read all about what the project is, they have media articles too. They've been on Benzinga, CoinMarketCap, a whole bunch of different news articles you could check out there. It says, become UBDN Keeper. Get rewards in UBD. And you can click on that there. They have frequently asked questions. So, UBDN, a fundamental element of the system which allows its owners to supply the ecosystem and guarantees monthly income in UBD stablecoins. So that is the token, the Ubdn token, and then they have the stablecoin, which is ticker symbol UBD, an algorithmic stablecoin that is pegged to the US dollar and is also backed by Bitcoin, ETH, and other stablecoins such as USDT, DAI, which are stored in the UBD network attractor. And you can click on Learn More if you want to learn more about the stablecoin specifically. So the keepers, where I said you can become a keeper and earn token rewards. Keepers provide liquidity in UBDN, validate the ecosystem maintenance, and receive rewards in the UBD stablecoin. And it says participate now, so you can click on that if you like. So United Blockchain Dollar Network, so that's what UBD stands, or UBDN stands for, United Blockchain Dollar, allows users to create digital trusts for managing or inheriting their assets, including NFTs, which are completely different scenarios that they can create or modify themselves. And then they have stakers, they have holders, and then they have the keepers. So it's pretty obvious what stakers are. You could stake your tokens, get rewards, or you could just be a hodl the token. So why the UBDN network? Well, UBDN is a tool that generates income from the operation of the UBD network ecosystem. 50% of the rewards that come from trust maintenance and UBD transaction fees are to be shared between Epoch participants. And you can learn more specifically about that if you like. Then they have milestones on their roadmap here, starting with project, vision, and roadmap, selection and confirmation of technology solution, website release, UBDN token release, pre-seed investment round, then public audit, UBDN stablecoin release, UBD staking release, tractor release, seed round, and round A. And then we got the node rewards releasing, trust MVP LiveNet with 5,000 users, IEO and public exchange listing. So that's kind of where we're at now. It says that's in 2024, the IEO, but that's basically what's happening on Bitmart here. Sometimes the roadmap will not go in exact order when you look at these roadmaps. Some things will come out before others. Then after that will be the LiveNet with 20,000 users. Exchange DEX UBD release, so they're going to have their own decentralized exchange, and then they're going to have products come out like staking, attractor, trust, exchange DEX, and then they have more coming in the future with product delivery to the mainnet and launch of the active marketing phase. So if you want to follow or subscribe to a newsletter, you can plunk in your email address at the bottom of the page. You can check out frequently asked questions. If you want to become one of them keepers, you can. You can also check out their Discord, Medium articles, and Twitter, all on their webpage, ubdn.com. You can find the full link tree there on their Twitter. And go check out Bitmart. Check out Bitmart's Twitter as well, at Bitmart Exchange. They talk about a 10% flash sale too as well. It's an exclusive Bitmart event where you can get 10% off on certain dates, where it says complete your KYC requirements though by November 20th if you want to get involved with this 10% off flash sale. So check that out at Bitmart Exchange on their Twitter. It's a 72-hour flash sale. It says, do not miss this exclusive opportunity. So I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know, what do you guys think about the UBDN token? Leave a comment down below. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Check out the referral codes, and y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.